And let me see what's underneath it. You don't have to panic, girl, I know just how to treat it. Let me see you, baby, break it up for me, baby. Ready for us to lay it out.